Hi, we're back. So this one is talking about, this is part 2 of chapter 26 video. So this slide is talking about once they found the molecular changes when scientists has the ability to find molecular differences within DNA. There's no such thing as DNA. They use the principle of maximum parsimony. Basically, it's a concept of how can we explain different phenomena using the simplest solution, simplest explanation. So they're trying to keep it as easy as possible, simplest. This actually came from a philosopher, but we don't need to go there right now. But it just which explanation will give us the best solution in the simplest format. So that's a keyword you kind of need to know. Another thing is molecular clock. Molecular clock is talking about once they found out DNA sequences, they also found out that DNA, some part of sequencing, some part of DNA actually evolve at a constant rate. So many years, so many million years, it's gonna evolve at this pace. It's not gonna change so much. So that actually help us to estimate how long the evolution event has occurred. So one of the example is the origin of HIV infection can be traced all the way back to 1930. Okay, because we have these modern technology to be able to basically date the changes within molecular level. So that's how we date multiple organism. Excuse me, like previously, how we can date how long has it been changing, and then for how long has not been changing, except I mean, for example, like for human and mice. So we haven't been changing for so long. So that can also be seen in molecular level. That's what molecular clock is. Okay, the last slide we're gonna use for this video. See, super short. Tree of life. Basically, we have three domains: bacteria, archaea, eukarya. Eukarya covers all kinds of wonderful things: plants, fungi, animals. Okay, bacteria is, well, bacteria. And archaea, we will talk about it later. It's it's kind of like plant, but not like plant. It's kind of like bacteria, but not like bacteria. It's distinct enough that it needs its own domain. So, tree of life, three different domain. Humans fall into this one. This is bacteria. This is archaea. Okay, and that's it for this video. And then I will show you guys something else later. Just so we have more example. Oh, actually, one more slide. Sorry. This is an overview of how everything that I just talked about in this video and last video looks like. This is the kingdom, species, genus, family, that one. And this is kind of how it all come together. So we want system, and we have two different way to name it. One is taxonomy, the other is phylogeny. Okay, different way. Phylogeny use genetic information, morphology, and so on and so forth. Taxonomy using different names to identify species. So this is how everything works. Okay, well, have fun, and or whenever you're reading this, have fun. If you're not having fun, come talk to me. We'll make biology fun. Anyway, talk to you guys later. Bye.